Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need an elevated command prompt. Once open, begin repairing system files immediately. First, run sfc/scannow. This scans and automatically replaces corrupted protected files from the component store. While it runs, you can monitor progress. SFC reports fixes and failures. If SFC reports problems it cannot fix, make a copy of C /Windows/logs/CBS/CBS. Log for later analysis. Make sure to keep the terminal open until SFC completes, because stopping it mid-scan can leave partial changes. Once SFC indicates unresolved issues, use DISM to repair the Windows image that SFC relies on. Run DISM/online/cleanupimage/scan health to detect corruption, then DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair using Windows Update. If the online repair cannot fetch files, specify a known good source with /source. Wim, path to install. Wim and include /limit access to avoid Windows Update. Make sure you verify the DISM log in C /Windows/logs/DISM/DISM. Log for detailed errors and any missing components that block repair. After DISM completes, reboot your PC to apply component repairs, then run sfc/scannow one more time to validate integrity. You should see no integrity violations. If problems persist, consider restoring a recent system, restore point, or booting from install media to repair or perform an in-place upgrade. Make sure to back up user data before aggressive recovery. Troubleshooting tip. If DISM cannot access online sources, mount a matching install. Wim to a USB, point DISM at that file, and repeat restore health to force local repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.